In this Excel video tutorial, I will show you how to use Excel's autofill features to automatically create a list of dates. We will learn 6 quick ways to autofill dates. The dates can be made up to be sequential or to follow a different pattern such as weekday, same day every month, same day every year, every 7 days, etc. So let's get started. In this Excel worksheet, I have 6 columns. Let's click on the first cell of the column to see the fill-in dates. There is a great shortcut, Ctrl plus Semicolon. That puts today's dates in the cell if you want to see the current date. Now, if you want the current dates down the column, there's a very easy way to do so. You just use this little fill handle to achieve this. You'll notice that my mouse pointer changes from a white cross to a black cross when I point at the fill handle little square. And I hold down my mouse button and drag it down. And there we are. It just increments the date down that column. This also works if I copy across. Now I wanted to copy today's date. I would almost do the exact same thing, but I'd hold down Ctrl when I drag that fill handle. And voila! We just copied the specific date easily. Now let's move on to the third column, copy weeks. Let's say I wanted every Monday to see the current date. So let's suppose that the 14th of February is Monday, which is indeed, then the next Monday, which would be the 21st of February. And then what I would do is first I'd select both dates. What that does is tell Excel that the increment that you want is to repeat down this column. If I place my mouse pointer over the fill handle and drag down, that repeats the increment going down that column. So these are all Mondays. Now if I only wanted weekdays in my list, you can drag that fill handle down. And then watch out for the little AutoFill Options button that appears at the bottom right of your list. If I click on that, there is only an option in here, Fulfill Weekdays. Great! The same thing is true for filling months in this column. Suppose you want the same day for each month. Now let's fill it down until the end, and I can choose from this option, Fill Months. Lastly, for years, exactly the same. Fill down, go to my little button and fill years. So lots of useful tips there for creating lists of dates.